we are going to see about how the flowers are going to be seen in infrared, ultraviolet and normal light rays. So today I am going to take some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples of flowers to see under ultraviolet, infrared and normal rays. How can we see it? We can see it by means of a small torch laser which is available in the market. So it is about 50 rupees I think. So in your area how I don't know, but it's here it is 50 rupees and this will be like this. Okay, it's inbuilt with 3 lights. One is with laser light and another one is with UV light and another one is normal light. So these are the things we are going to use it for today's activity. So we are going to view this by means of putting the light totally off, and we are going to view this. Why we need to do this activity? Because mostly the insects, the animals and other living things which normally what we see will also see in darkness or also in brightness with ultraviolet or infrared rays. So it is one small activity how the flowers will look under these rays. It will be very exciting to see this video. So watch it on. Thank you. The first flower we are viewing is 4 o'clock flower in English, general English name, and Mirabilis jalapa in scientific name. Tamil name is Andi Malli. This violet color all over here with anthers. So can you able to see this? Yes. Now I am going to view this by means of ultraviolet rays. So any guess what will be the color? Just look out this. So this is how the insects or other ultraviolet rays seeing in animals will see this flower light. So how beautiful it is. See, this is how we are going to see if you have been seeing only by means of ultraviolet rays. So the next rays is, see, this is the color. The next light what we are going to see is infrared rays. So you can see that this is how the violet color 4 o'clock flower will be seen. How beautiful it is. You can able to see this. So this is a normal color. Okay. This is the next flower what we are going to see. This is in English is called as Firecracker Flower. Cassandra infundibuliformis, which is in Tamil it is called as Kanagamaram. Now we are going to see it in ultraviolet rays. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. So by this way we can able to see that. So we cannot able to see the orange color now. See, this is how it is been viewed in ultraviolet rays. So I will change the color now. You can able to see that color now. See, this is how it is in normal light. But when you are looking at in ultraviolet rays, it will be like this. Okay. So the next one is we are going to see it in infrared rays. So see how it has been. So it is like the heaven flower. Okay. Yeah. The next flower is jasmine in English. It's jasminum in scientific name, and in Tamil it is Malipu. So we are going to see that in ultraviolet rays. So see this. So we can able to see this flower in ultraviolet rays how it is lying. Okay. So I am going to switch it over to infrared rays. See how it is. This is the next rose. It is very favorite to all of us. This is a rose flower. Okay, this is one of the rose flower which is nearby available to me. You can also take any other colors of the flowers of rose also. So I am shifting it to ultraviolet rays. See, this is how the ultraviolet rays seeing insects will be seeing. So this will be the color of the rose when it is approached by means of ultraviolet rays. Okay, I am going to shift it with infrared rays. See, this is how it will be going to look out. See, in infrared rays it will be like this. This is the next flower. What we have been going to see by means of ultraviolet rays. It is called as oleander in English and Nerium oleander in scientific name. In Tamil name it is alari. Alari poo appdi solluvaanga. So now we are going to shift it by means of ultraviolet rays. See, this is how it will be seen now. No violet color is being observed. Just it will be like the insects or the animals which are being seen by means of this kind of rays will be seeing the flower like this only. Okay, so this is how it will be looking off in ultraviolet rays. So this is the normal light. So in the normal light, what we have been seeing is by means of pink color. So I am going to shift it with infrared rays. So this is how this will be looking in infrared rays. You can also observe different kinds of flowers or fruits or any other things which is very bright in color under these kind of ultraviolet and infrared rays. So you can able to have a different view or different perspective of how the other animals or other insects are viewing. It will be very interesting to see this.